Yo guys, what's up? Today I'm with Huawei P Smart 2019 and I want to show you how to download and install Teamfight Tactics Mobile for this device. So for the first, you have to go to our website. The link will be in the description of this video, and if you are in our website, click here, go to the article section and find the TFT mobile article. And now you have to go to one of the following links. I click on the first. Click on the package installer. Wait, we can go for the second because this one closed. I just don't know why. Okay, so if you have any issue with the first link, go to the second. Now click on the settings with the Google Drive. Click here, go back, press on the install. And press on the open. Okay, so this is our Teamfight Tactics menu. Click on the Riot account. And very important is to choose available region. So this is right now EU Nordics in Romania and Oceania in the Australia. So we go with the AUNA. Go to your username. And if you input your passwords, just click on the red arrow. This is term of service, just press OK and download the new patch. Now we have to wait a few minutes. Okay, so we are almost 100%. And now we are in the game. So I hope that I help you guys. If you like it, leave comments, subscriptions, and of course likes. So see you in the next videos and goodbye.